Hi guys, so hello. So this is another vlog of my OJT, and I just wanna say na I hope you enjoy this vlog as much as I do. Bali, gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na this intro is for my second week. So by which may makita kayo mula May 18, May 19, May 20, May 21, and the last day which is the May 2022. And ayun, hindi ko na siya papahabain. And gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na enjoy this vlog as much as I do. So, ayun lang. Enjoy! Wow! Oh, siya. Ready na siya, oh. Okay, good luck sa second week mo, boss. So, ayun. It was exactly 8:01 in the morning. And ayun, wala tayong magagawa, guys. Sarado pa yung bangko eh. What a random day kasi wala nga tayong ginagawa here sa OJT ko. Kaya ayun, nag-edit lang ako nung first week vlog ko. By the way, I'll send here sa comment section yung vid nung week 1 para makanood pa kayo. So I just finished my shift and it was 6:43 in the evening, and ayun, another OLC or online class ulit tayo, guys. Just a random update lang kasi gusto ko lang mag-update. Ayun lang. Grabe naman po. Napakaaga mo lagi, boss? Hindi ka ba nagpapaka-late dyan? Hindi, sa akin lang kasi is hindi ko po kailangan magpaka-late or anything. Kaya kasi ako maaga kasi need ko ng time. So, ayun, para maaga din maka-alis. So, ayun. Diba? OJT shift nga, diba? OJT nga ni. Oh. Work mode na ulit si boss. By the way, it was 8:59 in the morning, and ayun, another random day to scan for them and them only. Pa-food na Ems. Pagod na Ems. Pa-food, ano yun? It was my first time though, like, gabi na umuwi, ganun. But, it was a good thing though, kasi nga nakapag-pampered dakes. Secret kung saan ako galing. Sige, until next time, update ko kayo kung saan. It was 7:56 in the morning and the bank are closed pa po. It was a random 8:07 in the morning, and ayun, nagpipitik lang M's for for docu or documentation. By the way, I'll send my FB page here para makapag-view kayo lagi. Like 24/7, araw-araw may update kayo. Uy, OA na naman natin, boss. OA nang naka-shit. Uy, naka-shit. It was 8:50 in the morning and I'm in my work mode era na ulit. So, guys. Bye. It was 3:45 in the afternoon and I'm working and working and working and working again. Gosh. Hindi, ano to? A random click with my favorite lucky number, which is... Gusto niyo sumali? Ha? Sali kayo dali. By the way, I'll send the link dun sa community channel ko sa IG para naman makasali kayo. Ano lang to, random pick kasi nga nasa may San Pablo tayo. And ayun, nag-rave ang batang to ng palabok sa may Ramsey Food House malapit sa school, which is LC or Laguna College. Kaya ayun, napabili na. Napaka talaga cravings mo, Toy. Napaka. Uy, si OA. Grabe. First time mo atang mali to work Hindi. Ganito kasi yun. As you can see here nga, so I'm scanning ulit the docu kasi nga need ng mga seniors ko at meron silang fall report sa Monday, which is May 25, 2026. A random clip from my gallery. By the way, yung mga pic na to is nasa Pinterest ka na din. So if gusto nyo, I guess I should send the link na lang here dun sa Pinterest format ko para magamit at magamit nyo din. So, ayan, enjoy! OMG. Is that Ari? By the way, stream her DW 10th or the Dangerous Woman 10th anniversary here on YouTube, Spotify, Apple Music, so on and so on. Bye! Enjoy! It was the last day of my second week and as you can see here nga, so I'm in 7-Eleven po, which is sa may tapat ng Pure Gold. Sa Yarn 101. Grabe dun sa 101. Literal na ginawang Dalmatian Yarn. A new day, a new streak, and a new achievement achieve. So this is me and my pamangkin speak on TikTok. Kasi di ba may picture dyan? So ayan, another streak na naman with my pamangkin. A random proposal. By the way, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung yung project proposal ko ngayon para may update naman kayo just in case. What a random cute pic of mine. Hindi kaya may pic dyan kasi babatiin ko yung pinsan ko So, kasi nga birthday niya ngayon. Grabe, may picture na naman. Attitude Yarn. It was 11:08 in the morning and ayun guys, new learnings ulit. So by the way, as you can see here nga in the picture, we're doing the omelet thingy. So this is the outro of my OJT vlog part 2. So ano yung mga nagustuhan yung clips dito? Yung mula May 18, May 19, 20, 21, 22, comment nyo lang here sa may ibaba. And ayun, gusto lang sabihin sa inyo na thank you for watching and sana nag-enjoy kayo. And before I end this outro, I just wanna say, or gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo, or give you some note na give this vlog a like, comment, share this video to your family, friends, to your jowa, to your kung sino man nakakasama nyo sa life, kay lolo, lola, anything and everything. So, ayun lang. Enjoy. And thank you for watching my part 2 vlog of my OJT Diaries. So, thank you. And I should go back na guys. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.